everybody. I'm Jenny McCandlish. I'm here with Mountain Elevation Realty Group. We're a real estate company here in the High Country. I'm here with my husband Bob, and today we're going to be speaking with Danielle Stewart of the Mustard Seed Market here in Blowing Rock, North Carolina. Hi, Danielle.
Hi, how are you?
Good, good. Hope you are.
I am.
We love coming to the Mustard Seed Market.
Good.
Can you tell us how you got started?
We got started 31 years ago.
Wow.
We decided we wanted our own business, and we love the mountains, and
Yeah.
so we found this little roadside stand that an older lady was retiring from, kind of a little pull-off, little country stand, and we thought this was our opportunity.
Can you tell me a little bit about the people who come here and the plants that they buy and how that all works together?
So we have actually gotten quite a following in the entire Southeast. We feel very blessed by our customers. We could not have done it without them. We really do have the reputation of having some of the best plants. We bring in specialty plants from all over the country. We have all small growers that grow for us, and we can't quite stop ordering. We get fresh plants in all the time. We get tractor trailer loads, so when most other garden centers are waning for the summer and they're like, I don't want to worry about plants, we just keep bringing things in. So we have several different, we have locals that are wonderful, we love them. We also have second homeowners,
Okay.
and because of the pandemic, they've now become full-timers,
Full-time,
which has really changed our business for sure. But we have a tremendous second home business.
Nice. So do you provide landscaping services to people?
We do. We do landscape design. We do landscape services. We do installation. We're more of a finesse company. We do a lot of different designs. Everybody gets a customized design. It's not the same plants, but we do design and installation. We help the homeowner understand the plants they're getting. We work with them on what they want, and we come up with a plan based on their view of what they want and their yard to look like, and then we know the plants so well that we combine those together to help them really have just success.
So how long would an installation process take from consultation to actual installation? How long does that process take?
Typically, it used to be a lot shorter than it is now.
Yeah.
We are still actually right now working on our fall and late summer 2021 list. It's a mixed blessing.
Sure.
We want to help the people that walk in the door, but we also love that people do want to wait for us and are willing to wait for us. Our window of opportunity, our window of getting things in the ground is a little bit shorter. Our last frost date is often the second or third week of May, so we can't do a whole lot for them. So it just makes it challenging business-wise.
So what is the actual season here for mustard seed being open and then shutting for the season?
We reopen usually in March, and we go all the way through Christmas. So we transform the mustard seed market around Thanksgiving, about the end of October, early November. We totally transform this place into just an incredible winter, not really winter, but a foraged and festive holiday Christmas season.
It's really
we have an
beautiful.
artisans market that people love. That's usually the week after Thanksgiving.
Right.
So that's been super fun. I think we're going in our 7th or 8th year. Then we also just opened a new location, a new shop in Blowing Rock just this spring. We took over where the Blowing Rock hardware store used to be and totally renovated that space, that home, and we have our home and garden home store. It's Mustard Seed Home. My floral studio is over there because we do cut flowers and event florals as well.
Oh, that's
So that'll be open all year?
That's going to be, I
Or
think
we're not sure?
so. We're not quite sure.
But it could be.
Definitely could be.
Some things have a life of their own. All of a sudden you need, oh my gosh, I didn't know I needed so
Right.
much Baptisia or
Right,
whatever it
correct.
is. How does that, how do you work that into your buying schedule?
It's hard. So we have over 50 growers that grow for us. We get weekly availabilities from them. So they send us what they have ready and available. We pick from those every week to get our weekly trucks in.
Nice.
We also order a lot of our Japanese maples. We go hand pick them in Oregon and Minnesota every summer and fall for the following year.
Yeah.
So we get those coming and booked for sure, because you can't just pop out a 8-foot Jap maple.
Right.
We have noticed the trends, and I'm very aware of what kind of the trends are. It's kind of funny, but it seems like we set the trends in some regard.
Yeah.
So we are trying to come up with plants that can handle our summers, be low maintenance, be beautiful, bloom profusely because everybody wants their color, but also our second homeowners are not always here.
Sure.
So we're constantly on the look for new varieties of plants that can handle the hot days, the wet weeks, the not being here all the time.
Right.
Because it's not the easiest place to garden.
That must be a really rewarding part, to listen
Yep.
to your customer and to then match the plants
It's
and the
fun.
flowers
Yeah.
in such a way that is approachable
Yeah.
for them.
Well,
Then
we
they-
definitely have to educate them.
Yeah.
Because they're coming to us for our experience and our knowledge, for
Mm.
sure. And so when we train our new crew, we have to train them. There's just a lot of moving parts. They have to know hundreds and thousands of different plant varieties. And some like water, some like it dry, some don't want to be pruned, some need to be pruned. There's just so many facets to this business that I love, and I love each one of them. One of the things that I like to do for our customers is figure out who they are. Because if I could figure out who they are as a person, I'll be able to help them design, whether it's a container or a garden, I can help them design it to their level of what's going to make them happy. But knowing I'm designing with the plants that are going to thrive and give them the look that they want, because there's no way to know what a plant's going to do if you don't research it.
So how do they find you? Like what is the process by which people find the Mustard Seed Market?
So we're on Facebook. That's probably not our main. We have a great website.
Okay.
The mustardseedmarketnc.com.
All right.
We're on Instagram, which we love, and they can find us here at the shop. They can check out the home store in Blown Rock. They can call us. They can email us.
So is there a lot of word of mouth?
A lot of word of mouth.
Yeah.
Yeah, a lot of word of mouth.
Right.
Which is great.
That's lovely.
Yes.
That's lovely.
Yeah.
Well, thank you so much for your time,
Absolutely.
Danielle. We
Thanks.
really appreciate
This
it.
has been fun. Thanks for letting me enjoy a moment.
Greatly.
I know, and she's sweet.
She loves plants too.
She does love plants. We need to get you a plant. I know. Thanks, darling.